Welcome to this channel. Today we are going to balance this reaction. This is sodium, this is phosphoric acid, this is sodium phosphate, and this is hydrogen. Okay, to balance this reaction, at first we have to draw a table like this. This is reactant side and this is product side. Now we need to calculate the number of atoms. So let me calculate the number of atoms now. Okay, so in the left hand side we have sodium, which is 1, then we have hydrogen, which is 3, then we have phosphate PO4, which is 1. This is a polyatomic ion which is considered as a whole unit. In sodium phosphate we have sodium, that is 3, then we have phosphate, which is 1, then we have hydrogen, which is 2. To balance this reaction means we have to balance the number of sodium, hydrogen and phosphate from both sides of this reaction. So look, in the left hand side we have 1 sodium, but in the right hand side we have 3 sodium. So to balance the sodium, what can you do? I can multiply here by 3, that gives me 3. The rule is that if you multiply by something, that something must come before the atom. So this sodium has come from here, so you have to place here 3. Now we need to balance the number of hydrogen. So here 3, but here 2. So to balance the hydrogen, I can multiply here by 2, that gives me 6. I can multiply here by 3, that gives me 6. If you multiply by something, that something must come before the hydrogen. This hydrogen has come from here, so you have to place here 2. If you place here 2, the number of hydrogen will be 3 times 2, that is 6. Already you have written. Then you have phosphate, which is 2. So you need to update the number of phosphate now. Look, here you have multiplied by 3. So these 3 must come before the hydrogen. That is, this hydrogen has come from here. So you have to place here 3. Okay. So look, now sodium 3, but here hydrogen 6, but phosphate here 2, but here 1. So to balance the phosphate, what can you do? You can multiply here by 2, that gives you 2, and these 2 must come before this phosphate, right? That is here. So you have to place here 2. If you place here 2, the number of sodium will be 6. 3 times 2, that is gives you 6, right? So you need to write here 6. The number of phosphate will be 2. So now look, in the left hand side we have 3 sodium. So to make it 6, what can you do? You can multiply here by 2, that gives you 6. These 2 must come before this sodium, that is 2 into 3, that gives you 6, right? So you have to write here 6. Now look, here 6 sodium, then 6 hydrogen, 2 phosphate. So everything is balanced. So you can say that this is the balanced reaction, right? So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.